What is up, YouTube? Hello from New Bern, North Carolina, our new home here in the Carolinas. We're gonna go check out Baker's Kitchen for some breakfast here in downtown New Bern. All right, quick menu overlook. Go ahead and pause at any time. All right, look at this. We got the scrambled egg, the links, you got your cheddar biscuit, and the grits, and then Dutch potatoes and the omelet over here. This looks good. All right, guys, that was our first official spot here in New Bern since we moved here. We've been here about 2 weeks right now, and the food was very good. Nicole's little Dutch potatoes, kind of like a potatoes au gratin. Everything was fantastic, not overly greasy like a lot of breakfast places these days. I did cheat though. I had the biscuit, just a little bite of it, just to try it, which was not gluten-free. But anyways, we're just gonna walk through the old town here. It's super cool. I don't know if anyone's ever heard of New Bern, but fun little place on the coast here that we found and absolutely love. So we'll be seeing probably a lot of foodie adventures from around coastal areas of New Bern. Let me show you just a couple little places here as we end the video here in New Bern. All right, guys, so a little bit of history here. I guess it's foodie related. You can see over here on the amazing corner here of Middle Street, this would be the home of Pepsi Cola. So one of the famous parts of New Bern. You can see the beautiful trees, the city hall down there, and the water's directly down that way. And definitely a must little visit stop if you're heading over to the coast and just want to see a couple cute things. All right, till next time.